Okay. The next rule that we have to look at is cosine rule. Cosine rule says a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine a. What is important is what the letters mean. A in the formula, A is the side that is opposite the inclusive angle. B and C are two sides of what? Known length. And capital A is the inclusive angle. Remember, in a triangle, the angle and the side opposite to the angle have the same what? Letters. The angle and the side opposite to the angle have the same letters. So A is the inclusive angle and common A is the side opposite to the what? Inclusive angle. B and C are the two sides of what? Known lengths. So a situation will look something like this. B and C are two sides of known lengths and capital A is the what? Inclusive angle. Common A is the side opposite to the inclusive angle. Ladies and gentlemen, when do we use the cosine rule? The cosine rule is used when we're given A, the length of two sides, and the size of the inclusive angle to find the length of the what? Third side. Cosine rule is used when you're given what? Two sides and the size of the what? Inclusive angle, so that you can find the length of the third side. When else do we use cosine rule? Cosine rule is used when the length of all three sides are given and you want to find the size of one angle. Let's have a look at this question. Alright, first of all, we're dealing with a non-right angle triangle. The length of this side is what? 60. The length of this side is? Sorry. The length of this side is what? 6. And the length of this side is? 10. And this angle, 53 degrees, is the what type of angle? Inclusive or non-inclusive? Inclusive. This is the inclusive angle. Again, why do I know it's not a 90-degree angle? If it's a right angle triangle, the examiner will have to tell you specifically it's a right angle triangle. I will at least have to put in the symbol for the what? Right angle. Fine. So I know the length of what? Two sides and the inclusive angle, and I wish to find the length of the third side. That is a condition for applying. That is a condition for applying cosine rule. So let's write it. Cosine rule is what? A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine A. In the formula, A is the side opposite the inclusive angle. What is the side opposite from the inclusive angle?
X.
So this is x squared. B and C are the other two sides. What are the other two sides? 6. So this is 6 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times what? 6 times 10 times the cosine of the inclusive angle, which is what? 53. The thing is really easy. It's just a formula. You just put in the values and work it out. 6 squared is 36. 10 squared is 100. Minus
12 times 10,
120 cosine 53 degrees. This is 136 minus 120 cosine 53 degrees. Alright, you know what I would do? I wouldn't bother to work this out. I wouldn't bother to work it out. What is the opposite of square?
Square root.
X is equal to the square root of 136 minus 120 cosine 53 degrees. Put this in the calculator and press equal. Recommendation: ensure you put them in what? Brackets. So here's what you press. Here's what you press. I want you to press what? Square root. Open bracket. 136. 136 minus 120, cosine 53, Maxwell, close bracket, then press equal. What did you get? 7 point? 7.98. So it's approximately what? 7.98? 7.99?
Yes.
7.99 meters. The length of this side is 7.99 meters. Ladies and gentlemen, the cosine rule is also used when you're given the length of all three sides and you wish to find the size of one angle. In this case, the one angle you want to find is the inclusive angle. Watch everybody. I'm going to write the cosine rule. It is what? A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. I'm given the length of all three sides and I wish to find of the size of one angle.
The non-inclusive.
No, it's actually the inclusive angle. The angle you want to find is always the what? The inclusive angle. So this is A, this is A, this is little a, this would be what? B and what? C. The angle you want to find is always the what? The inclusive angle. So it's capital A in the what formula. The side opposite the inclusive angle is what? Common A. What is common A?
13.
So this is 13 squared. B and C is what? 7 squared plus 8 squared. Minus 2 times 7 times 8. The cosine of what? The cosine of theta. The angle is what I want to find. It is what I don't know. It's the cosine of theta. All I need to do now is to what? Solve this equation. All I need to do is to solve this equation. 13 squared is 169. 7 squared is 49. Plus 64 minus 2 times 7. What is 2 times 7 times 8?
14 times 8.
What is 2 times 7 times 8? Quickly. What is 2 times 7 times 8? Quickly.
112.
112 cosine theta. Remember, what I want to find is theta. Please look. I'm going to carry this over here to make it what? Positive. This is 112 cosine theta is equal to 49 plus 64 minus 169.
Oh, okay.
Negative, come over and become what?
Positive.
Positive goes over and become what? Fine. This is 112 cosine theta is equal to, put this in the calculator and press equal. Put this in the calculator and press equal. Quickly now somebody. Put this in the calculator and press equal.
Negative 56.
Minus?
Yeah.
So it's negative 56.
What's that from Emma?
All I want over here so is what? Is cosine theta. I'm going to divide both sides by what? 112.
Cancel, so cos
Theta is minus 56 over 112. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know the cosine of an angle, to find the angle you must use cosine inverse. It means that the angle theta is equal to cosine inverse minus 56 over 112. Theta is equal to, here's what you do, shift, shift, then what?
Sine.
Cosine, then press what? Cos, open bracket, minus 56, divide by 112, close bracket, then press equal.
120.
It is exactly 120. Sorry, don't worry about it, it is correct. The answer is 100.